ఎంపీ కె కేశవరావు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Year 2022, a growth of 16.2%. The sale of Ayurvedic products is expected to raise to $8 billion by 2022 from $2.5 billion in 2015. Presently, about 75% of Indian households use Ayurvedic products. Exports of such products from India on an average is about $80 million a year and expected to grow 20% annually. So we have much to offer to the world through our traditional and diverse resources of knowledge. Sir, while the number of practitioners and their effective medicines are on rise, there is unfortunate lack of safeguards for them and their treatment. The bill which is speaking of in promoting institute must also include this. Lastly, I will skip through all those things. Sir, at present there are more than 200 colleges and other things. There is a central council and research in Ayurveda and Siddha and similar council for Unani, Homeopathy, Yoga and Neuropathy. This could have been clubbed together so that to make it a national institution. A recent review points out that more than 13,000 plants have been found in past 5 years with medical values. However, nothing much is done to follow it up. Standing at this crossroads where there is a need for consensus, it is suggested that the conventional research in Ayurveda be continued as per the vision of the strict Ayurvedics, co-opting Ayurvedic biology in all protocols with the help of these men who have clarity on the subject. This will help scientists to develop appropriate indicators. The institutes like the one that is now envisaged in the bill should address this very important question so that there is no clash between the modern medicine and Ayurvedic. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Kishorji. Sri Vijay Sai Reddy.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
You have 3 minutes, please.
Pardon, sir.
3 minutes.
Yes. Sir, I rise to support this bill. It is an educational reform in the Ayurvedic sector as part of the government reforms programs. This is a follow-up to the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Act, which we have passed last year. Sir, this bill also will help in creating the trust in Ayurveda, confidence in Ayurveda. The problems of non-uniformity, vagueness and adulteration plague the Ayurveda sector as of now. The bill is a step towards streamlining the functions related to academic standards, evaluation, assessment and accreditation of educational institutions pertaining to Indian system of medicine, sir. Sir, bill also addresses the issue of supply of quality Ayurvedic doctors, which is very, very important. Sir, the bill also helps in enforcing the high ethical standards of Indian system of medicine, sir. Considering the need of doctors at primary health care centers, a push of specialists under Ayurveda would make more doctors accessible to the huge population for basic health facilities. Sir, I have 2 suggestions to be made in this regard to the Honorable Minister. So, though this bill is meant for betterment of implementation of the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Act, there have been many concerns regarding the non-inclusion of yoga and naturopathy. And this, I request the Minister to consider including yoga and naturopathy in the Indian system of medicines of reforms pursued by the government, sir. Sir, if yoga and naturopathy are left unregulated, then the system of medicine cannot have uniform standards of professional education and accreditation process, sir. Sir, my last point, sir, the need to address the quackery in the Ayurvedic sector, which was not even addressed completely in the Indian System of Medicine Act when it allowed even non-qualified person to practice in Indian system of medicine without qualifying the national exit test, sir. Sir, the bill's objective to attain the self-sufficiency only can be achieved only when it brings other states also under the ambit of such initiatives.
Right.
Each state, sir, final point, sir. Each state must have such an institute. It is not only one state, and every state in India must have such an institute of national importance for uniform growth and penetration of in the field of Ayurveda, sir. Thank you very much.
श्री रामचंद्र प्रसाद सिंह.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय. मैं विकास